focus at 2020, we are a clinical lab company located here in the state of Maryland, Gaithersburg, Maryland, and we offer right now one of two on-market multi-cancer early detection blood tests, or MCEDs. Unfortunately, most of the cancers responsible for deaths do not have a widely available and utilized screening approach like we have with mammograms for breast cancer, colonoscopies for colon cancer. For other deadly cancers like those of the lung, the liver, the pancreas, and the ovaries, there is no widely available screening modality. And to fill this void, companies, particularly Grail, have introduced tests based on circulating tumor DNA. And these tests have several key limitations. They're very expensive, about $1,000. The data around their ability to detect early stage cancers is very weak. It's often in the teens. And they require traditional venipuncture blood draws, which require you to go to either the doctor or a patient service center LabCorp request. Our test is based on proteins or antigens like the A and PSA, prostate-specific antigen, and can be offered at a much lower price, has documented strong sensitivity for early stage cancers like those of the pancreas and ovaries, and has recently been validated using devices like this that painlessly allow the right amount of blood to be tapped from the upper arm without needles. And we have now, literally in the past few weeks, been getting people around the country are getting these at home and have an agreement with Giant Pharmacy to offer it at Giant Pharmacy. So that's a huge advancements to access. Disadvantaged communities in particular, I think, will benefit, and they very much need these tests. The market is huge. We expect CMS has announced they will likely begin covering these before the end of the decade, prodded by a bill in Congress with more than half of its members, Republicans and Democrats, as co-sponsors. And it's based on a model very popular in East Asia, where everyone goes every year to what are called health check centers in Japan, Taiwan, Korea, and gets these types of tests done. So we have seen now 10 consecutive quarters of revenue growth, a line of sight to profitability, high reorder rate. These tests are done yearly, and about 40% of our customers reorder yearly. And we built machine learning algorithms and are licensing into places like Japan and Taiwan where these tests are commonplace. So we have revenues globally, not just here in the United States. We offer biotech-like returns with IT level risks, in short. We are revenue stage. We have multiple paths to liquidity. We are IPO ready with the requisite audits, and don't require substantial capital to break even. On top of that, we're offering a sort of Mr. Wonderful-like incentive where we're going to be providing for investors in our $3 million round. We are offering royalties in addition to equity. So this is for those that are interested in a relatively short-term return on investment. We think we are the right company for you. Again, this is a company that can do well and do good. Good return on investment, but also an ability to advance tests that could save the life of your own life and those of those that you care about. For those that are interested in getting a test, we have a booth back there. We can arrange for you to get one of these at-home self-collected tests. With that, thank you very much for your attention.